MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides dependable HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses keep their heating and cooling systems running efficiently year-round. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing breakdowns, improving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. Our skilled technicians perform detailed inspections, clean vital components, check system performance, and address minor issues before they become costly repairs. Routine service helps maintain consistent indoor comfort while reducing energy costs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA, and ensure your heating and cooling system stays reliable in every season. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the HVAC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA to help homeowners and businesses keep their heating and cooling systems operating efficiently throughout the year. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring that your HVAC system performs reliably during both hot summers and cold Pennsylvania winters. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA? Most HVAC professionals recommend scheduling HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA at least twice a year, once before the summer cooling season and once before the winter heating season. Regular seasonal maintenance ensures that both your air conditioning and heating systems are prepared to handle changes in temperature and heavy usage. What is your HVAC maintenance in Pottstown, PA? Our local HVAC maintenance has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.